The maritime industry operates in one of the most dynamic and challenging environments. Every day, workers are exposed to risks such as falling objects, heavy machinery, slippery surface, and low visibility. To mitigate these risks, personal protective equipment or PPE plays a vital role in ensuring the safety and well-being of everyone on site. Let's take a closer look at the 3 essential PPE items. First, we have the reflective vest. In the maritime industry, visibility is critical, whether it's daytime or nighttime. A high visibility vest makes workers easy to spot. Reflective vests are designed with bright fluorescent colors such as neon yellow or orange and reflective strips that catch and reflect light. This visibility is crucial in crowded environments like ports and shipyards, where vehicles such as trucks, forklifts, and cranes are constantly in motion. For night shifts, stormy conditions, or low light environments, this vests significantly reduce the likelihood of accident by ensuring workers are seen from a distance. Next is a safety helmet, a critical component of head protection. In a maritime setting, falling objects are constant hazard, whether it's tools, cargo, or equipment. A safety helmet acts as the first line of defense against such impact. These helmets are designed to absorb shock and reduce the severity of injury. Modern safety helmets often come with additional features, such as chin strap to keep the helmet securely in place during strong winds or while working on elevated platform. It's not just about falling objects. Helmets also protect workers from accidental bumps against overhead structures, such as low-hanging beams or machinery components. Finally, let's talk about safety boots. The maritime industry involves heavy lifting, sharp debris, and slippery surface. Safety boots are specially designed to protect workers' feet in this hazardous condition. Key features of safety boots include: first, steel-toed caps to shield feet from heavy objects that might fall during cargo handling. Second, slip-resistant soles for maintaining grip on wet or oily surface commonly found in ports and shipyards. And third, puncture-resistant midsoles to prevent injuries from sharp objects like nails or metal shards piercing through the sole. Moreover, the durable material of these boots ensure protection against harsh chemicals or corrosive substances, which are often present in maritime operation.
What is an enclosed place? An enclosed place can be used for several reasons. However, the main issue arises when one has to enter these enclosed places in order to do some repairing work or for cleaning purpose. Because of zero ventilation, these enclosed places generate and store toxic gases, which are either produced from chemicals stored in the place or leakage from pipelines. If a person enters such place without taking precaution, he or she may suffer unconsciousness and sometimes even death. Safety number 1. Keep the manhole door open and allow the space to be ventilated thoroughly using a blower. Proper ventilation removes harmful gases, maintains oxygen level, and prevents buildup of flammable vapor. Use a mechanical blower to circulate fresh air into the confined space. Safety number 2. Carry out a pre-job meeting and discuss the risks involved. Ensure all personnel understand the hazard and safety measures related to the job. Conduct a detailed risk assessment before entry. Identify and evaluate all possible hazards in the confined space. Safety number 3. Confirm the percentage of oxygen to be above 20.9% using an O2 analyzer. Ensure that oxygen levels are safe for human occupancy. Use a calibrated oxygen analyzer to check oxygen level. Safety number 4. Isolate the valve for the respective enclosed spaces. Prevent accidental release of hazardous substances into the confined space. Place warning sign at respective location. Inform crew members to avoid accessing or operating the equipment connected to the confined space. Use clearly visible and legible sign near the confined space. Safety number 5. Obtain a duly filled and signed enclosed space entry permit. Ensure all safety checks and precautions have been complete and authorized by the master and responsible officer. Post the permit near the enclosed space. Safety number 6. Keep all required tools and rescue equipment standby. Provide immediate assistance in case of emergency. Ensure tools like tripod, lifeline, gas detector, and SCBA are readily available. Keep first aid kits within reach for any medical emergency. Example for equipment and tools is portable gas detector or analyzer, oxygen analyzer, portable blower or fan, coverall or protection suit (PPE). Safety number 7. Ensure proper communication is maintained between the personnel entering the enclosed space and person standby. Facilitate smooth coordination between personnel inside and outside the confined space. Also agree when the emergency signal. Communication between the entrant and standby person should be continuous and clear. Safety number 8. Ensure only trained personnel enter with all required PPE and PPG. Reduce risk by allowing only qualified individuals to perform the task. Verify personnel have undergone confined space entry training. Safety number 9. Always carry a portable gas meter while entering. Provides continuous monitoring of the atmosphere inside the confined space. Evacuate the space as soon as the meter raises an alarm. Ensure personnel safety by avoiding exposure to hazardous conditions. Last but not least, safety number 10. A responsible person has to be standby outside the enclosed space for coordinating the operation.
An important step to take during the emergency in cargo tank to ensure everyone's safety. The first point is do not enter the tank. Cargo tank are hazardous area that require strict safety precaution. Entering a cargo tank without the right equipment is extremely dangerous because this tank can contain harmful gases or lack sufficient oxygen. Such condition can cause a person to lose consciousness or even worse. Therefore, before entering, it is essential to test the air inside for oxygen level and presence of toxic gases. Only trained personnel equipment with proper safety gear, such as breathing apparatus, are allowed to enter if absolutely necessary. Entering unprepared not only put the individual at risk, but also endangers rescuer who may have to save them. The next point is activate the emergency alarm. In the event of emergency, such as seeing a colleague unconscious inside the tank, the first and most crucial step is to activate the emergency alarm. The alarm system notifies everyone on the ship of situation, prompting immediate action. Please ensure that rescue operation can be promptly and that safety equipment can be prepared without delay. Quick action is essential in emergencies, and the alarm serves as the first step to initiating a coordinated response. The third point is notify the rescue team. Once the alarm has been raised, the next step is to inform the ship rescue team. It is vital to provide them with clear information about the situation, including the location of the unconscious person, what was observed, and any potential hazard, such as the presence of dangerous gas in the tank. The rescue team is specifically trained to handle such emergency and has the necessary equipment to conduct a safe rescue. Accurate and timely communication allow the team to respond effectively and minimize risks to everyone involved.
Step 4 is prepare protective equipment. The first step is to ensure you have the appropriate protective equipment before entering the tank. This includes respiratory protection, gloves, and protective clothing. Conditions inside the tank may be hazardous due to toxic gas or lack of oxygen. Therefore, proper respiratory protection is essential. Action: put on protective equipment such as oxygen mask or personal breathing apparatus. Ensure that protective clothing and gloves are worn correctly. Step 5. Ventilate the tank. Next, before entering the tank, activate the ventilation system to ensure fresh airflow into the tank. This reduces the risk of gas poisoning or oxygen deficiency. If the tank is not equipped with an adequate ventilation system, use air suction equipment to bring in oxygen and remove harmful gas. Action: activate the ventilation system or use air suction equipment. Ensure the air inside the tank is sufficiently renewed. Step 6 is monitor your colleague's condition. Once the air in the tank is confirmed to be safe for access, monitor the condition of your unconscious colleague. For your colleagues, if not breathing, provide immediate respiratory assistance. If they are breathing, ensure they are in a safe and stable position while waiting for professional help. Action: check your colleague's breathing and pulse. If there is no breathing, perform CPR or provide respiratory assistance according to your training. If breathing is present, position them comfortable, such as recovery position. Step 7 is follow safety procedure. The final step is to adhere to the safety procedures set by your company or organization. Contact the rescue team or emergency service if necessary. Do not detect unnecessary risks by entering the tank without adequate support. Trained rescue team should be called to take over and manage the rescue operation further. Action: contact the emergency control center or rescue team. Follow all safety procedure outlined in the standard operation procedure (SOP).